Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to easily open your Ford Fiesta bonnet. Before we begin, please make sure your car is parked on a level surface with the handbrake firmly on. It is also important to turn off the ignition and let the engine cool down for approximately 10 minutes to ensure your safety. This simple process will help you access your engine compartment for routine checks or maintenance. Now, from the driver's seat, you'll need to locate the interior bonnet release lever. This is usually situated under the dashboard, often in the footwell area on the left-hand side. It might have a small pictogram of an open bonnet. Once you find it, give it a firm pull towards you. You should hear a distinct pop sound as the primary latch disengages, indicating the bonnet is partially released. With the primary latch released, head to the front of your Fiesta. The bonnet will be slightly ajar. Carefully lift the bonnet a little and feel underneath, usually in the middle, just above the Ford emblem. You'll find a small secondary safety latch there. Gently push or slide this catch to the left. This action will fully release the bonnet, allowing you to lift it completely open with ease. Once the bonnet is open, locate the metal support bar, also known as a bonnet stay, typically found near the engine compartment. Insert one end into the designated slot to hold the bonnet safely open. Some newer Fiesta models may have hydraulic struts that do this automatically. To close, remove the support bar, lower the bonnet gently, and then let it drop from a height of about 8 to 12 inches to securely latch it. Avoid pushing it down to prevent dents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.